Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 21. Dang it, it's day 22. All right, I was so confident it was day 21, but it is day 22. I am ready to go to the pool. I'm gonna head over. I don't even know what time it is. It's late. No, it's not. Well, it is, but it's not. It's 11:11. Make a wish. I'm gonna head over to the pool. It's just gonna be a chill day. Patriots on at 1. I'm still undecided if I want to watch that or not. And then we're gonna exchange a few gifts tonight. Play some more bananagrams. We're doing like an Italian. No, we're definitely not doing Italian. Chinese, like, got the vlog up this morning. I didn't edit last night. Last day. Then we're heading back to the nice, cold snow. So I'm sitting by the pool and I made some polls on my Instagram. I did the Christmas tree, Christmas music, Christmas dinner, do you open one present on Christmas Eve, does your family do matching PJs, and then I asked for more. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, so you can participate in stuff like this. But I just thought this would be fun today, because it's almost Christmas. And hopefully people will send more and I can put more up. Back from the pool. I just showered and just put on like workout clothes. I'm so thirsty, so I'm gonna drink this entire cup of water and just kind of chill. I've been watching some Vlogmas videos. I think the Patriots are on. Just like a chill day, you know? It's only like 1:30. I'm not like starving yet, but I think once I have this water, then maybe I'll think about lunch. Playing the Dolphins today. There we go. A little leftover action. Waiting on some pita. That stuff's so good. There we go, now it's complete. Mimi wants to play more bananagrams, so bananagrams we play. Play the champion. 4 times.
I'm gonna take you on the Sudoku.
What?
Sudoku, the numbers game.
Oh, yeah, I'm not very good at that. Sudoku?
You and I would be better at that.
They're all playing against me. Vlog will appreciate that.
Something else?
No?
That's it?
So, you can tell they've been watching Vlogmas.
Did you? You got to school. I couldn't believe you didn't have one.
I didn't put names.
I don't. I know, I didn't put names on it, so.
Now you
Thank
have
you.
This is from Brad and Londa, Matt and Francesca,
Mariah and
Dylan, Colleen and Jamie.
You guys give me.
They got us bubble wrap.
What is it?
It's one of those picture frames.
Mariah sets up an email for you and then we can all email you pictures.
What is the
Like they'll
matter?
pop up on, like you could put it on.
We email pictures to the frame and you'll see them pop up.
Just any time.
I guess.
That's wonderful. So, any time of the day or night, the pictures will just flip up.
That's the idea. Anyone can email it. Well, they watched the video for sure. Okay, I feel like today's vlog has been a little all over the place. We've just been chilling. I'm going to edit today's vlog right now, tomorrow's vlog right now, and then it's like 5 o'clock, so by like 6 we'll probably start dinner. Do dinner and maybe play a game or watch a movie. And also I set up their gift, but I forgot to show you, so I'll have to show you that after Mimi's done taking her nap and after I do this. So stay tuned. Video's done. Time for more Prosecco. I'm just trying to do stuff in the oven and it just keeps going off. Like I just did this clip the other day. Cheers. Let's go find the frame.
Can you take a picture of me saying thank you?
Sure. Hold on. Wait, I haven't even shown them. This is the frame that we got them. And I sent those pictures from my phone. And now they're just going through here and we sent the email. So everyone can send you some. Did Vonda's come up?
Not yet.
I
Thank you guys. This is a great Christmas treat on stage.
Can I now move the wire?
The wire's driving him nuts. All right, last night we're going out to look. Tomorrow it's supposed to be there right on top of each other, so I'm gonna miss that. We can check tonight.
You should be able to see them from up at your place.
Oh, I thought you said you weren't sure.
It's better down here, but you should be able to see them up there.
Okay. Oh yeah, let's see. They're getting closer. Do you see?
I do.
It's crazy. And then we've also noticed Mars right there. That's Mars. Gotta get a picture of the progress.
Yesterday was one of these.
Oh yeah. Okay, so it's moved quite a bit. Got. What's this?
Vegetable pockets,
Spring rolls?
chicken spring rolls.
Dumplings. Fried rice. Yum.
So,
A little bit of everything. Tonight's movie, Miracle on 34th Street. Last night.
Down a little bit.
Where'd it go?
1943, is it?
47.
Okay.
Hi guys, we just finished Miracle on 34th Street. It was very cute. It was the original one. Peps only likes the black and white original. It was made in 1947. So that was really cute. Almost 9 o'clock, so we finished up early tonight. But I think we're gonna chill for a little bit longer. I need to make sure everything's like packed. So we have to leave here tomorrow at like 12. I think. Our flight's at 2. That's it for Florida. It's been very relaxing and just chill. Nothing crazy. Like we literally just came down here to see my grandparents and then go back home, get tested. So we've definitely been safe and we've just done everything to stay here and just make meals here. And we had so much fun. We're so grateful to be able to come here. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Comment down below what your Christmas plans are this year. I'm very curious. I love hearing what people do for Christmas. I know this year isn't going to be normal by any stretch of the means, so either comment what you would normally do or comment what you're doing this year, because I want to know. And I will see you guys tomorrow.